There was a girl with paper skies. She drew her words with open eyes. Her art teacher smile, don't stop, create. Keep painting dreams, keep drawing fate. Every line was play, every color truth, but she didn't know what she held in youth.
Years went by, the girl grew brave, and life began to match each page. She found those sketches, held them tight. The same roads, the same light. She ran to a teacher, older now, and said,
why do my drawings look like what I've lived? And the teacher laughed, soft and wise. Sweet one, your pencil is energy in disguise. Your ink isn't ink, your ink is choice. Your stroke is power, your heart has a voice. To draw and to decide are the same. You shape your path, you name your name. I choose it beautiful, I choose it true. Each day I sketch what I'm walking into. Deciding is my power, steady and bright. I breathe, I feel, I choose my life. Me decido bonito porque me elijo a mí, porque decidir es mi poder.
Manuel asked questions from his philosophical curiosity. The digital philosopher. Ellen asked questions for him his philosophical curiosity.
Ooh, then one night between dream and dawn, a secret book appeared warm in her palms. A mystic manual hidden but clear, teaching the art of choosing without fear. It whispered, freedom is your sacred right. Free will is the gift that turns dark into light.
Breathe first, slow your mind, come home. To name your why, what future do you want to own? Feel your truth, come intuition, not panic noise. Find real info, don't gamble with your choice. Fact check the cost, consequences ripple wide. 6 choose from love, not pressure, not pride. 7 practice daily, conscious choosing get strong. The more you choose with love, the more you belong.
We're not broken, we're becoming. We're learning life from every stone we're running. Taking your time is self-respect. A love no written before the next step. Don't let the crowd hold your pen. Your life is your poem, write it again. And if a yes for them is a no for you, say no with peace. Staying true is brave too. I choose it beautiful, I choose it true. Each day I sketch what I'm walking into. Deciding is my power, steady and bright. I breathe, I feel, I choose my life. Me decido bonito porque me elijo a mí, porque decidir es mi poder. I choose it beautiful, I choose it true. Each day I sketch what I'm walking into. Deciding is my power, steady and bright. I breathe, I feel, I choose my life. Me decido bonito porque me elijo a mí, porque decidir es mi poder. I choose it beautiful, I choose it true. Each day I sketch what I'm walking into. Deciding is my power, steady and bright. I breathe, I feel, I choose my life. Me decido bonito porque me elijo a mí, porque decidir es mi poder.
Thank you, Maricarmen, for being a teacher disguised as a guest, for turning pain into purpose, and and helping so many choose their best.
Follow Maricarmen on all her social platforms. Follow Iman Foundation, support the events and help spread awareness for parents and kids to make better decisions.
Sign that your phone moved you, follow the digital philosopher.
If this song moved you, follow the digital philosopher.